There's just shit everywhere.
For you mean actually?
I mean, there's going to be in about 10 minutes, I'm not going to lie.
Woo! I feel like we're nowhere near as drunk as like we could be, and I'm kind of
But I think the shots are going to go wrong.
I know,
and we've got to go to a civilised dinner, so...
Yeah.
I mean, the last time I was at an Ivy, I was not civilised.
Yeah, you did. Hi guys, it's Han. Welcome back. I'm here with two of my favourite people in the world, as you guys will know.
What the am I doing? Hey guys, welcome.
I really want to watch that.
Can you do like a key
Like zoom on and just like your finger. Maybe she's more drunk than we thought.
I don't want to cry.
No crying, no crying, no tears.
Oh god.
Anyway, today's video is going to be a kind of tipsy get ready with me, or get ready with me. Sorry, you guys. No, I am not crying.
Oh, we'll go. I'm having flashbacks to my fingers and it was 5 minutes ago.
No, I am not crying. I'm not doing it.
It's running.
No. No. No.
Oh god.
No.
Oh
no. I actually can't stop. Has anyone got like a tissue? Or where's that like crusty dusty makeup wipe?
that everyone's used at this point.
I don't think you should use it.
No, Rachel, I need
No,
something.
because I think.
Do you want to use my sleeve?
No, because I was just going to say I think I like itched my nose and like wiped my finger in it, so like please don't use it.
Oh my god, you really let it run.
Well, it just fell out. Today's video is a tipsy get ready with us, although at this point I feel like we're not even that drunk, but it's kind of a good thing because let me tell you, we've filmed a video on Rach's channel, or we're about to film a video on Rach's channel where we're going to end up a lot more drunk.
Yeah.
So,
I'm
stay
pretty
tuned for
tipsy,
that.
to be fair.
are you?
Yeah.
I'm a little bit warm.
I'm just down that and now I'm a bit like, oh.
Now your eyes are glazed, as are mine, from tears. So yeah, we basically filmed these makeup looks. Although I feel like we didn't really go into that much detail. We've kind of just like sat and chat about different things, and had a drink every now and then in between. So I think that's pretty much everything. I'm gonna link Mads and Rachel's channels down below if you're interested, and be sure to check out the other two videos that we filmed. I guess that's everything in a nutshell. If you want to see us do this glam, then just keep watching. Oh, we need to pour a drink.
I was going to say you haven't poured
Where's
a drink
the cranberry
yet.
juice? I'll get it. I'll get it.
Motherfuckers! Sorry.
But this is the thing,
I said
can't
that.
taste vodka because it's lime, and this is why. Wait, I'll try yours and you try mine.
I said, did I do too much?
Well, you did, but I just said it's fine. I feel like the same. I'm just being a pussy. Oh my god, it just tastes like a lollipop.
I know what you mean.
It's a twister.
Mine's just juice.
It's a twister.
We
Oh my
need
God.
to go on another trip.
Please come with.
And I really,
ASAP.
really must go to Miami. Like, we did speak about it and, like, I must go.
Yes.
Apparently the boys are absolutely delicious. Not that that's a reason to go, but it actually
I mean,
really
it
is.
I'm going next week. And I told you this when we went to the Ivy, and now I just know that you just weren't there.
Oh my god, why?
I know, going with Motel Rocks.
Oh yeah. No, do you know what?
Now
That
you
rings a
remember.
bell. That rings a bell. Oh my god, I love how we're all using... Oh no, you've got a bit of NYX over there. I'll take benefit precisely my brow pencil.
Do you know what I really want tonight? I
What?
tried it at the Pretty Little Thing event, an espresso martini. I've never been one for like coffee.
Coffee
and
neither.
They do a
It's
salted
so
caramel one
good. What?
Where?
at the Ivy.
Do they?
It's what I think I might have had it or was having it as you were there.
I don't really enjoy coffee flavoured things. I just
No,
like
I
coffee. Like, I
don't.
don't like coffee cake. But this is actually really good.
But then when I drink coffee, I only have a latte, so people would say that's
Oh,
like not
quite
even a
milky,
coffee.
yeah.
Soap does
I
nails.
was going to
Extra
say, is it
spice.
soap does nails? Yeah.
Extra spice.
Extra spice.
Is she nice?
Oh, she's so lovely.
Is she?
She's the nicest person.
I've only
honestly.
watched one of her videos the other day, and it was a story about a brand taking it to New York, and then it never happened.
I got the email about that and I messaged you.
Isn't it so weird that like anyone could actually do that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like,
I'm
it
so
is-
wary.
It is more like, because it only got past like the first initial email.
Have you watched the Fire Festival?
Documentary?
Yeah. So good.
So good.
Thing is, I was watching it, and like obviously if you've watched it, you'd know like Cece was on it.
Yeah.
But I was trying to think like I'd hung out with Cece like around that time, and I'd never really heard her speak about it.
No.
So I didn't realise quite the severity of like what it was. But I don't think she experienced
sheltered
the full,
from it because she was staying on a cruise. She wasn't actually staying on the
island,
festival.
On
the festival campsite.
But
I think she was.
Like, I watched it and I didn't understand why they took it so far when they just knew
it wasn't gonna happen.
Yeah, like it gave me so much anxiety watching it. I was like, I could not do this. Like, I would just pull the card.
I was putting myself in his shoes, being
same. I was like, why?
The guy that was like, I was full on ready to go there and suck his.
Oh my god!
There's so many memes about that now. That's just like,
oh my
when
god,
your friends want to get into the club and they all look at you to be like. Did you watch the thing about like the Ted Bundy stuff? And there's a movie about that now. And Zac Efron's Ted Bundy.
Yeah, there's lots of controversy about that.
Yeah, because everyone was saying, why have you made a murderer fit?
But if you watch it, that's because he was.
Yeah,
he was. Realistic. That was the whole scandal around him.
Yeah.
Was just that he was such a charmer that like no one believed that it was him and like really like questioned.
Because wasn't he a lawyer and like he kind of represented himself?
It's something weird.
Yeah.
Like that. When was your first period?
What the hell?
Wow. No, that's from a film where it's like so. When was
what is that on?
I don't know. Mine was in Cornwall. Cornwall.
I know, I heard what you said, but it didn't make it any less weird.
No. Why is that weird? Is that really weird?
Where did you book that from?
I mean, it's just when my first period was.
Usually you say age. You don't be like specifically. I was in Morrison.
We're going to see Post Malone tomorrow.
Woo!
Yeah.
I know like 2 songs, but I feel like he's very easy to listen to. I know Rockstar, which was like one of my favourite songs for ages.
Yeah.
And I know, what's that one where it goes?
Better Now? No.
Psycho. Wow.
Oh, is that his song?
Congratulations.
Oh, I do know lots of his songs.
I was going to say, the fact that you're saying that you only know 2 hours, I don't think you do.
Okay, Rockstar, Congratulations. There's this one that's stuck in my head and I can't remember how it goes now.
Oh,
these 2 can sing and I definitely can't, so I'm not going to join in, but that one.
Do you know, a lot of influencers that I know
Every
can sing.
YouTuber can sing. It's
And
so
I suddenly thought, is it like a thing of just like a creative type thing?
Maybe. Or like, whenever I think about things in a box, I just think of Beyonce, and you went with Primark, didn't you? But I went with Benefit.
Oh my
It's
god.
the best night of my life.
Really?
Yeah.
Is she good?
Unreal.
Did you go in Manchester or London?
London?
I don't think I've ever been to a bad Beyonce concert. Like,
But you know what? I wouldn't even class myself as a Beyonce fan. Like,
no.
No, I'm not really.
I just can appreciate her talent. She puts on a fucking good like show.
Like, she's just so good live that, like, even if you don't listen to her music much, I would go just
Oh yeah, you can't deny
Just-
that. Yeah.
yeah.
Who's your favourite person live?
Beyonce.
Really?
Yeah, hands down. I think. I just think she's so good.
Yeah, Beyonce. I went to Adele's last concert, but you didn't know it was her last one. You know, like
wait, so is that actually
like the last time she was ever going to perform.
really?
Yeah.
Why is that?
She just decided like.
I mean,
that's
she
the
made her
end.
money, so.
Oh yeah,
like,
she doesn't need any more.
I feel like she
kinda
was
like
never
that.
into the fame. Yeah, like she
Yeah.
keeps her life so private that, well, she seems to anyway.
This is the first time I'm using this It Cosmetics brush that's in the shape of a love heart, and I'm really quite excited.
Why? Who's yours? Like the favorite person you see?
Probably Kanye West, only because he's like my favourite person ever anyway. Or Rihanna.
Really?
Oh yeah, I went to see Rihanna, but I was back in her like.
Yeah, I
In
saw.
the diamonds, in the light, like that kind of stage.
Were you at the concert in Manchester where she brought Drake out?
Oh my god, no,
No,
my friend's
I wish
brother
I was.
I want to go back to LA. Like, I'm really
Oh,
sad. I
me
think about it all the
too.
time.
I need to just go away.
I feel like
I need to do
like 3
how
cities.
many like people I was following like 3 people that suddenly went to Miami and then Bahamas, and I like messaged Jordan. I was like, "Is there like some sort of deal on that I'm like not
Yeah,
like
aware
not like
of.
seeing?" And she was like, "No, like you can just get flights to Miami, and then like the flights to the Bahamas from Miami are so cheap." I was like, "Oh my god, like I've got to go. I'm swimming with the pigs this year."
Oh
and
my
that's
gosh,
that.
yes.
So, what are both of your goals for 2019?
That is a good question.
Mine's really like just deep.
Mm.
It's just to love myself more and treat myself better.
That's a good one. I feel like that should be
I like
everyone's.
that. Yeah, definitely.
Because I think I can be really down on myself sometimes.
You
and I
can,
would never
and it's really-
say what I say to myself to a friend. Do you know what I mean?
To be fair, mine's similar. I feel like last year, I don't know. know. I was kind of sad a lot of last year.
Me too.
Which is like a really sad thing to say.
Last year was
there was quite a lot to be sad about. Like, it was quite a sad year for like
a lot of people. Yeah, and I don't know. I feel like this year's already started off so much better.
Yeah, 100%. I feel like a completely different human this year. Yeah.
Just to like take care of myself more and put myself first more, which I feel like last year I wasn't really doing.
Yeah, 100%.
I feel like you went a little bit recluse last year because of it.
And like the year before, especially like the past 2 years, I feel like I've really like just not been in the best place. Whereas this year like I already feel so much better.
Me too. I don't really have goals like the amount of subscribers I want anymore, because I'm quite happy where I am now. Like I know I'm like tiny compared to you two and whatever, and
I'm starting to find numbers really don't mean anything.
They don't.
And I like the smaller people because it's like nice to know, like nice to have like that person that like not many people know, and it's just like your favourite person to like
and I feel like a lot of people that end up having like millions of subscribers, like I had a podcast on in the background the other day with Alfie Days on, and he was saying like...
My sister keeps telling me to watch his podcast. She's like, it's quite good.
It wasn't one of his. I can't remember who it was with, but he was like... Someone said to him, like, if you could choose how many subscribers you had, what would you choose? And he said 300,000. Because it's like the amount where it's like, you know...
Nice.
Yeah.
You're engaged. And your audience isn't too big.
We all do this as a full-time job, and we're so grateful to do it as a full-time job, but then we also like do all our things outside of work.
I see the videos of like when these massive, like when James Charles went to Birmingham,
literally,
and that I
don't think I could cope with that.
No, I said to my mum, if that was me, I probably would have like vomited or something, and or like been like probably burst into tears. Yeah, my goals are like, I really want to get into presenting. Like, I think this is just like the year.
Yeah,
like I want to just like better. Amazing. I want to feel more confident in the way that I look, so then like I'm not so like conscious of that kind of shit, because that's the annoying thing about being on TV, is just like everyone has an opinion, even if they don't know you, and it's normally just like 56-year-old Carol from like Cheshire that has got something to say. Like, do you know what I mean?
Like people like that. Yeah.
What sort of TV are you like interested in doing, or like what would be like your ideal?
Okay, so like, what do you guys think about this? If you saw me doing this kind of stuff, brands these days, like especially like clothing brands or kind of any brands that have like celebrity ambassadors, always need people to like interview them and stuff like that. Like, I would love to like interview people and just like have like a really fun, like, I
could so see you doing that
interview.
I feel like you could get on with a brick wall as well. Like you could just get on with
just
anyone.
Like something but obviously something like relatable, like for example NARS just now has Naomi Campbell as the face of their brand, but I wouldn't want to do that interview.
Why?
Because she's too serious and I'm not.
Oh, right.
Like, if I was like, blah, 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 she would not hold back to be like, who the fuck is this idiot?
Like, I can imagine you interviewing like Maya Jama or like
just something like that. Like, and a lot of brands are now doing that kind of stuff on their like IGTV and stuff like that. So it's just like a place to like start. Yeah. Like, I would love to just be the person to like interview someone, as long as it was kind of like relatable to what I was doing, or I'd love to be on like podcasts and stuff with like other people, but like I don't just want to talk about makeup and stuff like that. You guys know I love talking about just like anything, like girl problems, girl talk, like boy problems, like all of that kind of stuff. I feel like I've got quite a real opinion when it comes to stuff like that, and I wouldn't be nervous to like say what I really thought.
I'm really struggling at the minute with content. I don't know what my channel's about. Like, it's so up in the air.
I so know what you mean.
Because I feel like hauls were like a thing for a minute, and now I just feel like everyone's bored of them.
Well, that's like me on my channel. I feel like I just completely overdid them.
Yeah, me. I 100% overdid them.
I was like, where's my mirror? I would really watch, if you did like lookbooks and stuff, I would watch that. Like a street style like lookbook, because I really love your like casual street style.
That's why I was thinking of just getting into Instagram, but I was like, do you know what, I love YouTube so much.
Why don't you start doing those videos that I've seen people do, where they're like
styling videos?
I used to carry on drinking.
I mean, I am on my second drink. Loving a bit of this, a bit of cream NARS Illuminator Orgasm. Super Orgasm.
Oh,
we love a super orgasm over here.
What do you use that for?
Just like a little bit. Like, I would actually like wear this if I was like on holiday.
Ooh, what is this?
The fucking best thing ever. BH Cosmetics Blushing in Barley. I'm sorry, but like it's amazing. I love that colour blusher, and like I normally like wouldn't,
Wow,
but I do.
yeah.
Why is this so much lighter than my NW25 and this is an NC30? This is what confuses me about mine.
And W shades do tend to come out a bit darker.
Yeah. I'm having a weird time with highlighter at the minute where like I'm really struggling to find a highlighter that like doesn't look too dark on my skin, or like you can't see it when you're looking forward. Like
Can't see it.
Yeah. I mean, what have I picked out today? Oh, this is fine to be fair.
What is
it? MAC Double Gleam. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I need to replace my Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion because it's got to the point where it's so crusty and dusty that it's kind of mixed in with my foundations.
Crusty and dusty.
It's so good.
I haven't had a sip in a while.
Oh, I haven't had a sip in a while.
I feel like it's going to be the shot it and say it video that like something goes dreadful.
I'm going through a phase with blush at the minute where I like it again. Like I have phases where
I
love
love
blush.
I think in the springtime it's just so nice.
Right, also, I've decided when this comes back in stock, I'm binning every single lip liner that I have, except my MAC
What is
ones,
it?
and only buying Morphe ones.
Morphe ones are
Because
so
their
good.
formula is just so good.
I know this is like a generic question, but I'm genuinely interested. 3 makeup products, what are they? Like, if you had to just choose 3.
Can't live without.
Yeah.
What, specific things or like a step like concealer?
No, like just
Specific
like
things?
No, just like concealer, brows,
okay.
blah blah blah.
Probably lashes or like some type of lash.
Oh really?
Brows, lashes,
And like lip gloss. Why, what's yours?
Brows, concealer, lip liner.
I think I just look a bit like pig-eyed if I've got like nothing on my eyes.
I quite like it. I don't know why.
I look a bit like, if I put just concealer on, it makes me look really like not washed out, but like
I can't just put it on like dots.
No,
Once
like,
I start, I
even
can't
just put it under
stop.
my eyes, yeah.
Well,
Like,
that's what I mean. Like if I want to just have a quick everywhere, I can. Do you know what I mean? I don't know.
yeah. Oh, that's true though.
Because
Yeah.
sometimes my skin just looks so bad that I'm like, I can't deal with it.
Is it just me that finds that drugstore matte liquid lipsticks don't really dry?
Yeah, this one
Like,
doesn't. It's so good, but it like doesn't
It
dry.
doesn't. The L'Oreal ones don't dry either, and they're supposed to be like matte liquid lips.
Right, look how much I overdraw my lips. That's how I want them to look naturally. Like that's.
Why don't you just get your lips tattooed? Like a tattoo like liner.
It freaks me out.
Yeah,
so
that
much.
freaks me out. I don't know.
You've suddenly really made me want to like really overline my lips.
Same, and now
What?
I'm gonna.
You've
I
suddenly
don't
really made me want to overline the whole thing.
Yeah, I feel like it changes my face completely.
Oh my god, I need to live for it.
Oh no, I do too.
Okay, should I take the first plunge of the gloss?
Yeah, I want to watch it.
Okay. So this goes on first, and you're just like, well, that looks nice. But you just kind of think like,
Very
okay, like,
glossy, yeah.
Yeah.
like you could leave it there.
Oh, you
But
could
I've
leave it there.
noticed that like when you put like something that's like a bit purpley,
On top,
it's suddenly like, oh.
comes to life.
If you don't know about the Kiko 3D Hydra Lip Glosses in the shade 18 and 27, get to know. I'm ready to suck a dick. I got the Norwegian salmon that I asked for. Cost a fortune to fly in from Norwegia.
Wow,
Want a
that
cookie?
actually is really good.
What else is that? Oh, and she's like, oh, wait, what was it? You got a letter from Princeton, and it's like the moist cookies. You know when she sat on the bed.
You're so good at things like that, though.
Want a cookie?
And you got
good.
an accent.
Yeah,
It's like
so
that accent
good.
was spot on.
Yeah.
Do you know what? That's one thing I wish was like a hidden talent of mine.
Me
I wish I could do
too.
accents and I just can't.
I was quite impressed.
Oh my god, Fix Plus smell, I miss you. Finished!
You have such an aggressive laugh sometimes. It just comes from nowhere.
My laugh in your video.
Oh my god, that was the funniest thing. Like I edited that back and like cried, like tears.
This is when I wake up and
Never have I ever.
We're moving on to Never Have I Ever's now because I feel like we're
No, I just read one that really like.
Oh right, so I thought you were like going to start the like bid.
No, it is.
So I'm not going to answer this.
Never have I ever been upset with a partner for not performing well. Rachel.
99.9% of the time I'm like not
To be
happy.
fair, that's never really happened.
Oh no, I mean I am. I'm like if they said how satisfied are you? If I did like a chart,
Scale of 1 to
I'd be
10.
the face that's like just in the middle, like.
I had so much fun filming this.
I know.
Same. I feel like a little lit. I feel glam. I feel ready for the next step.
Which is
My video.
more alcohol.
More alcohol.
A lot more
Say it or
alcohol.
shot it is about to happen over on my channel.
I hope you all enjoyed watching. As Rach just said, we have filmed videos on Mads and Rach channels. We filmed a mukbang on Mads' channel, and we filmed a Say It or Shot It, or are about to film, but when you're watching this, we have filmed a Say It or Shot It on Rach's channel. So if you want to check them out, I'll leave links down below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I love you as always, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.